Hi boys and girls, we are finishing our week of worksheets with a little bit more difficult of a paper than we've done all week. So even though this one is harder, you're going to be able to do it okay because we've been talking about using our 120 chart to help us with number patterns. So the first thing we see on our counting forward is 25. So what comes after 25? Good. 26, 27, 28, and 29. So double check and make sure you have those four numbers that come after 25. The next one starts on 53. So if I'm counting, what comes after 53? 54, 55, 56, and 57. Nice. Now the next one is pretty close to 100. It's going to start on 82. So it seems like it's hard because it's on the 80s, but we just think like, what comes after 2? 3. So all you have to do is put an 8 in front of it. So 83. So what comes after 3? It's 4. So then we do 84, 85, 86. Very good. So same thing with the 40s. So this is 44. So after 4 comes 5, right? So I do 45, 46, 47. And the last one on that row is going to be 48. So even though we're counting with big numbers, it's really not too bad if you just think about the numbers that you already know to 10. You just put the other digit in front of it. Okay, so now this one's getting a little bit harder because we're going to we're going to start on 68. So what comes after 8 is 9. So 69 and then 70, 71, 72. Good. Okay, we have 3 more rows left. So starting at 50, let's keep counting. 51, 52, 53, and 54. Very good. Now I'm starting at 27. 28, 29. So what comes after 29? You're right, 30, and then 31. Okay, the last one might be a little bit harder, but we can do it. Oh, and Mrs. Stewart forgot her name again. I just realized before I started my last row that I forgot my name. Okay, 95. What comes after 5? Is 6. So we do 96. 97. What comes after 7? Is 8. So 98. We're going to end with 99. And just because it's fun, let's write 100 underneath. 100. Good job. You did awesome on this paper. If you got all of your answers correct, give yourself a smiley face at the top. And then do what your teacher would have you do next. Good work, boys and girls.